Do you love babies but hate all the sterilizing and the scrubbing of the bottles and the nipples and the sippy cups and all that has to go in with making sure that your equipment is clean and safe for your children? This is the answer. This is Grownsy's 4-in-1 washing, sterilizing, drying, and storing machine. This is a supersonic dishwasher, does everything for bottles, sippy cups, even the parts to the breast pump machines. Watch how great this machine is. It has 9 different cleaning modes. It includes drying and storage, a fast mode, a standard mode, which is the default, and I'll show you that one today, and washing, drying and storage, and just sterilizing. You can bypass any that you don't want to and go straight to a specialized section. But this is what I love about this machine. It has all of the instructions for all of that right on the side here. Everything is repeated here, permanently part of the machine, so you don't have to go looking for a book. Tells you which thing you need right here. And this right here is a 2-liter tank that you put in your distilled water. You just pop it up, simple like that. Put water in the opening. Distilled water works best in there to keep any buildup on the machine and the bottles. Then you simply pick your mode, and I'm going to show you what the inside looks like and how you work it. It comes with a pipe that's attached that you simply put into your sink or any other outlet to just let the water go straight into there, so you have no dirty water to clean up. Just keep it near a sink or a place to dispose of that through that pipe. You don't even have to touch it. It has 26 jets and 12 powerful steams that will direct water through and in and out of the bottles. Now, I've used this for several times to try it out to share with you. My bottles come out perfectly dry. We're going to get an aerial view here. See, it's big and has a lot of space. In there, we will put bottles and these sections here. It holds 4 big bottles. These are 8-ounce bottles. You can use bottles of any size. And it holds the nipples on a special spot right here. I'm going to clean this entire pack of bottles with this round, and then I'm going to put this carriage on top. This is where I put all of my other parts, the rings and the tops, even these special pieces to some of the newer bottles, they fit right in here. Those special pieces and everything in between. You can put your bottle washing equipment up there, the tops of the bottles, and everything that goes along with them. Now, if you have a breast pump, the parts can go up here, and there's special instructions to use that are on the side of the machine and also in the book. And then Grownsy sent you detergent tabs. It's important that you use these detergent tabs that come with it. There is a supply of 60 in there, and you can get more. You just simply drop it in the main area. You don't want to put soap anywhere else or water in this main area at all. Standard is the default. That's my favorite one because it does everything. But if you need to bypass that and do a fast round or just a drying or just sterilization, you can do that. Press the start button and it will tell you exactly how many minutes. You can leave it and come back to it, and I will show you what it looks like when they're done. This is the washing status. You can see the soapy water going through the bottles from the bottom up, giving it a great scrub. If you need to stop this at any point to put something else in or to tend to it, you just hit the pause button right here, let it cool for a second, then lift the lid, do what you have to do, put it back and hit the pause button again, and it will pick up right where you left off. It's really fun to watch. The machine has just switched off, and you will see it shows 72 hours. What that means is that it has a 72-hour suggested storage time. Of course, you can take it out sooner, but it is safe and sanitary and secure in here for 72 hours. Now, it is making noise because it is still continuing to dry, but they are ready to remove. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I can pause it or turn it off and remove the top. As you can see, there is no moisture in here. These pieces are dry. I can count on this being secure and clean. The rings are dry. Let's check out the nipples in the bottles. I'm so happy and pleased with this. Look at this. All of this bottle is completely dry. You can see there is no moisture on here. I love the fact that I can count on this Grownsy machine to sterilize and dry ready to use. I know it's clean. There's not any watermarks. It is perfectly clean and dry and sterilized. This product was provided for me to share with you, and it is such a game changer. It has exceeded my expectations. I highly recommend it. I know you will like it.